Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting straight into the app and confirming basics. Open Google Maps and sign in so offline areas attached to your account. Once done, make sure your iPhone has enough storage and at least 20% battery to download map tiles. Connect to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. You can use cellular if necessary. Now pan and zoom to the area you'll need offline. This first step captures what Google can store for you locally, so pick the right region before downloading. You now choose and save the exact map section. Tap your profile icon, open Offline Maps, and select Choose Your Own Map. Zoom and move the frame to cover the streets, towns, or routes you'll need. Note that bigger areas use more storage. Tap Download, give the map a clear name so you can find it later, and watch the progress bar. Make sure the download completes before you leave Wi-Fi. Once it finishes, Google stores the area locally, so navigation works without a signal. You're ready to navigate offline. Open Offline Maps and select the saved area, then start directions as usual. Make sure your iPhone's location services and Google Maps GPS permission are on. GPS works offline for positioning, though live traffic and alternate routes require data. If the map won't appear or navigation fails, check storage and re-download the map. Clearing the app cache or signing out and back in can resolve sync glitches. Finally, update saved maps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.